Okay, hi boys and girls. Today we're going to be making a 1-point perspective city. Okay, so it's going to be a pop-up city, so it'll be kind of 3D. All right, think about what 3D means. So first I'm going to tell you all the supplies you need, so you can get those first. You need tape, okay, any kind of tape will do, scissors. I'm using crayons to color my buildings, but you can use colored pencils also. Markers are okay, but the best results are going to be from crayons and colored pencils. And then I'm also using a black marker. You need a piece of paper also, okay? So first thing we're going to do is we are going to fold our paper, hamburger style, match up those corners, fold it down. Fold it again. Okay. Fold it down. Give that crease a nice little massage there. All right. Fold. Okay. And then we're going to open it up. I'm just going to fold it one more time. Both ways. And then we're going to end like this. Okay. So now on this fold, all right, so this is the opening. This is the fold. On this fold, this little line, we're going to take 3 fingers and squish them together. Leave them right there. I'm going to get my black marker. 3 fingers. Ooh. 1 dot, okay, on the back of the last finger. See that? We're going to draw a diagonal line as best as you can to the right corner, all right? We're going to cut that. Just like that. We don't need this piece, so we'll just get rid of it. You're going to open it up, and it's going to kind of have this like M shape, all right? On this fold right here, we're going to draw a line. This is our horizon line. Okay, and we call it 1-point perspective because everything is going to 1 point, which that 1 point will be right in the middle. I'm going to actually then make a line going up this fold, and then I'm going to kind of go over the top as best as I can. I'm working on a piece of paper so I don't get my table messy. Okay. And then you're just going to make vertical lines going down to that horizon line of all kinds of different widths. Okay, so some might be skinny, some might be fatter, going all the way back to the end of the paper. So vertical lines just go up and down. Okay, next thing we need to do for our buildings, this is the buildings. We are going to add some windows. So you can do all kinds of different windows, rectangles, squares, you can do round windows. You can just do lines if you want. All on all buildings, okay? If you want to give it like a little planter, maybe an arched window. So we make the buildings have a special character to them. You can even do some windows that have some shutters. All right, so I've already done one like this and I've colored it in. So that's when your colored pencils or crayons will come in and you will have a building, a city full of different kinds of buildings, okay? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take right here on our horizon line and we're gonna fold it. We're gonna put our hand right on that point. We're just gonna fold it down, okay? So then we fold that part, okay? You see that line right there. And that is kind of like a triangle, all right? We're just gonna open it back up. We'll do the same to this side, making sure they're pretty much even. Okay, I'm just gonna fold this one more time so I get it right and I don't make a mistake over here. Okay, fold it, go to the back, push it down, okay? Then I'm going to take my black marker again. I'm going to draw lines on that fold we just made to our point, okay? Pretend there's a little point right there. That's our point of reference for our perspective, okay? So this is our road down here. This space is empty. We're not doing anything to that. So we're gonna focus on this road. I'm gonna actually make some road lines, which are just rectangles, and they get bigger as they come towards us because this is going back into space, all right? Then I'm gonna get my crayons back out and I'm gonna color that road. I'm gonna use black for a typical road color. And when I'm coloring it, I'm not gonna go up and down, I'm gonna go towards that point. So our lines are coming out from that point. Now it's giving me this texture because of my table underneath, but that's okay. So it's kind of like a bursting from the point. Oops. So there's also something called 2-point perspective, which uses 2 points from where all the lines are coming from. We're just using 1 point. This is the most basic perspective type of drawing that you can do. And this is really important if you are really into drawing and you're getting older, to learn these basic concepts because they really help you draw in all kinds of different situations. Okay. All right, so as you can see, all my lines are coming out from that point. Okay, just gonna give some of my lines down on my road some color also. Okay, and like I said, these 2 triangles are nothing, okay? So don't worry about giving them color or doing anything. So now we're gonna go back. We're gonna fold it back to that fold, okay? This is where our tape comes in. We're gonna just take 1 piece of tape for each side. We're just gonna tape that back piece down to the road kind of to help it stand up. And do that for each side. And that's it, guys. All right, we got our perspective town, our little building, or city of buildings, excuse me. And I'll send you a picture of what it looks like standing up. Hope you enjoy.